Opening shot of an office setting with a person sitting in a chair, typing on a computer. Are you tired of back pain and discomfort while working at your desk? Introducing the Hbada Ergonomic Office Chair with Footrest, the ultimate solution for a comfortable and productive work experience. Cut to a close-up of the chair, highlighting its adjustable lumbar support and headrest. Featuring a customizable lumbar support and headrest, the Hbada chair promotes proper spinal alignment and reduces pressure on your lower back. Cut to a shot of the footrest being extended. But that's not all, the chair also includes a footrest, allowing you to elevate your feet and improve circulation during long periods of sitting. Cut to a person sitting in the chair, showing the person adjusting the chair's armrests and seat height. The chair also features adjustable armrests and seat height, providing maximum comfort and support for a variety of body types. Cut to a shot of the chair's sleek design, and with its stylish design, the Hbada chair will look great in any office setting. Cut to a shot of a person sitting in the chair and typing on a computer with a smile on their face, showing the person comfortable and happy with the chair. Say goodbye to back pain and discomfort and hello to a more comfortable and productive work experience with the Hbada Ergonomic Office Chair with Footrest.